If you use the Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, to monitor, maintain, and manage your network, you can set it up to automate the process of installing or upgrading software images and installing configuration files on the devices that are deployed in a network for the first time. This process is known as zero-touch provisioning. This helps manage the configuration and integration of the device. It is done using the Cisco Network Plug-and-Play (PNP) solution. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to provision a Cisco Business CBS, Catalyst 1200 or Catalyst 1300 switch to automatically use the PNP Connect redirection service using CBD as a PNP server. Next. To begin, visit the Cisco software website at software.cisco.com. Navigate to the Network Plug-and-Play section under Smart Licensing and select Manage Devices. Create the controller profile. Add a new profile by selecting PNP Server as the controller type. Set a profile name and description. Select it as the default profile. I'll leave the deployment type as Customer Hosted. Use the Cisco Business Dashboard as a PNP server and specify its IP address. Next, you need to import the Cisco Business Dashboard PNP server certificate. There are certain requirements to be aware of. The PNP agent, in this scenario, the switch, will validate the PNP server certificate. Additionally, the agent will check if the certificate's common name and subject alternative name match the host name or IP address of the PNP server. If they do not match, the certificate validation will be rejected. In newer versions, if a TLS certificate includes a subject alternative name field, TLS clients should ignore the common name value. Instead, look for a match in the subject alternative name list. This means that if you visit the Cisco Business Dashboard and encounter the message, "Server certificate does not contain your server address in the subject alternative name field," you need to update the certificate. To do this, select Update Certificate and ensure the subject alternative name field reflects the actual IP address of the Cisco Business Dashboard. Click Save and then OK. A page refresh verifies that the certificate is now valid. You can then click to download the certificate chain. Following this, return to Cisco Software Central, input the IP address of the Cisco Business Dashboard, and upload the updated certificate. Browse for the certificate file and select it. Click Next and then Submit. Now that you have the controller profile configured, you can add devices. Enter the device information manually. Click Identify Device and enter the details, including the serial number, base product ID, etc. For example, this is a Catalyst 24P4G. After selecting the newly created controller profile, click Save, Next, and Submit. The status shows as Pending Redirection. Upon refreshing the switch interface, expedite the process by navigating to the PNP session and selecting Resume to send an immediate request without waiting for a timeout. Observe the status change to Contacted. This indicates that the switch has reached out to the PNP redirection server. After further refreshes and some waiting time, the status should update to Redirected and eventually to Redirect is successful. Next, go to the Cisco Business Dashboard, access the Provision section, Network Plug-and-Play, and then Enable Devices. Here, you should see the switch listed under the PNP Enabled Devices. Provision the switch by clicking on its host name. Select the appropriate device group, usually the default one, and then click Next. Choose the latest image for the switch and the custom configuration that has been prepared. During this process, it's important to set up a username and a strong, complex password. Additional settings, such as enabling the CBD probe and selecting an access key, can be configured at this point. You also have the option to assign a static IP address to the switch. When complete, click Next and then Finish. The status will change to Pending. After a few moments, the status will change to Provisioning. You will see the switch provisioning the image and rebooting. Once the image has been provisioned, the configuration process will begin. Upon completion, you will see that the switch's status has been updated to Provisioned. Logging into the switch should confirm that the change on the hostname, including the new IP address, has been applied. Navigate to the Cisco Business Dashboard settings under the Administration section to see that the switch is connected to Cisco Business Dashboard and probe operation is enabled. And that's all there is to it. You've set up zero-touch provisioning using the PNP Connect redirect services offered by Cisco. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.